I am super excited for something I got tipped off this morning. Don't know if you've seen, but the papers have announced who the new UK Chief Scout is going to be. The new 11th Chief Scout will replace Bear Grylls, the youngest ever Chief Scout, Bear being the 10th. Now, this is super exciting because we know it's going to come. Normally, a Chief Scout only serves for 4 years. Bear's been repeating, and now he's come to the end of his journey. He still will be staying as the World Ambassador of Scouting, but we will have a new Chief Scout here in the UK, and it is interesting who they have decided who's going to replace Bear. And I was reading in the paper thinking, wow, this is an interesting person. Now, this person was a BBC presenter from 2000 to 2006. They also appear on The One Show. They're a co-presenter on the Martin Lewis Money Show. So that will be quite good for, the money badge with cubs and beavers. They don't do that in Scouts, but there certainly is a money badge, and that will be quite a good one. They'll be able to help on that one. And also, this person won the Celebrity MasterChef in 2017. So their cooking skills will be mighty fine over the campfire. But who do you think is going to replace the 10th Chief Scout and become the new Chief Scout? As I say, this person appears all over the TV. I think it's going to be an amazing Chief Scout. The whole point of the Chief Scout is to publicize Scouts and spread the word of Scouting. So, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, Scout leaders in the UK, our new Chief Scout is going to be the one, the only, it's not me, Angelica Bell. Beautiful Angelica Bell. I remember watching her on the telly, and as I said, you still see her pop up every now and then on The One Show and the Martin Lewis thing. I think she's going to be an amazing Chief Scout here for the UK. What do you think, guys? Comment below. If you want to watch some more of my Big Man Awards videos, don't forget to watch this one when last year Gilwell suggested that they're replacing the necker for a bow tie. See you next time here on Big Man Awards. Oh yeah, don't forget, happy April Fools. Did I get you? Yeah.